Okay. That's it right there. What? Welcome to from the desert wasteland of Arizona. I almost slipped and fell on the ice. It's like a ice rink right here. The fuel truck couldn't make it up the hill right here, and it's just pure ice going down. So we are proceeding with extreme caution, but the good news is the guy's willing to meet me on a Saturday, so that's huge. How you doing, sir?
We're good. How are you?
Good. Ken.
Dwayne.
Dwayne, nice to meet you. Thank you so much for coming.
Hey, not a problem. It's my canopy, and as you can see, we're getting ready to install 2 playgrounds here.
You weren't kidding about Church Road. That's
all it is, buddy, is churches.
That's amazing. That's amazing. What?
This is the town on this plateau.
Yeah.
This is Page. Everything to the north is Utah and Lake Powell. Everything this way and this way is reservation. We are landlocked on this hill.
This is amazing. I saw all those pontoon boats and everything over there.
Oh,
it's just crazy.
Lake Powell is just right over there.
I'm gonna have to talk to you about doing some things because I got no time to kill right now.
There you go.
All right, let's get this unloaded. Russians are coming! The Russians are coming! Man, I guess Lake Powell, the dam is right there, and that's the beginning of the Grand Canyon. So the photo that I took that's on this video, I pulled over just to do that photo, and I start driving away, and I'm like, why didn't I do any recording? I'm like, oh, I'm such a bad YouTuber. Stupid. But I think we're gonna have to do some sightseeing and stuff today. That's what's up. So the guy, Dwayne, was super cool, and he called the lady to work to the desk, the gate, Horseshoe Bend Park. Look at this. So they let me in free. I'm parked right over there. And I guess this is where the Colorado River meets the dam for the Grand Canyon. So look at this view. Amazing. Let's see. I guess we're getting closer to something pretty special. Look at over there. So it's about 3/4 of a mile. Walking trail. It's a cool day, but the sun is warm. So that was really cool of him to let me in, because I wouldn't have done this on my own. Like, I think it was like 20 bucks for an RV to come in here. So, but yeah.
No, that was for the.
Well, at least there's a section with a handrail, because I'm not very good with heights. So let's check this out. This is looking pretty spectacular so far. Look at this. I'm assuming this is the edge right here, so y'all get to see it at the same time I do. Is it amazing? Is it amazing? Holy moly! Oh my goodness! What? Okay, my equilibrium's getting. Holy cow! Oh my goodness, look at those kayakers. So I used to know some people from Colorado that did the floating down the Grand Canyon. And yeah, they'd go from like Colorado all the way to Arizona. Oh man, this is amazing. Look at that. Well, for all the bad days out on the road, this one will make up for it. Let's get some photos. Man, I don't know if I should I go over there? Like I said, my equilibrium feels weird. Oh my goodness, this is how spectacular. I wonder how high this is. That's got to be a couple thousand feet at least. My goodness. Wow. Okay, Horseshoe Bend, Arizona, Page, Arizona. What a drop. Should I jump down there? No. Wow. All right. Look at the wild people over there. I said forget it. This is as close as I'm getting. All right, I'm gonna take y'all right over the edge, but I am doing this and I don't care. Oh, I'm gonna crush my glasses actually. Okay. That's it right there. I ain't going any closer, guys. Sorry, I'm a wuss. I don't like heights. Wow, look at that. Horseshoe Bend, Grand Canyon, Page, Arizona. Definitely check it out if you're out this way. Let's go find a camping site. Grand Canyon Dam right there. Look at that. I should have pulled over before this. Dang it. There's so much to see around here. You're like, oh my goodness, what that scenic view where, oh, hey. Like a little welcome center. I don't think I'm gonna be able to park there though. Oh man, look at that. I think Arizona is turning into one of my favorite places. Look at this. Listen to my truck. Oh, my truck sounds sickly. It really does. And there is a pilot 8 minutes from now. I left that park and yeah, 15 minutes away. So that's great news because then I can drop my trailer and then I can actually go explore this area. Gonna get some work done, some BOLs sent in so I can finally get paid. But yeah, man, it's at Lakeshore Drive. It's just when you don't know where you're going, like especially with this trailer on the back, like you really don't want to pull into that and try to explore because you might not be able to get out. Oh, looks like there's a marina or something down there. Man, just like a mile up the street from that last video. Pulled over to, made myself some lunch. Oh, look at that. You believe this place? There it is, the Grand Canyon Dam. There's the water before the Grand Canyon, and then the Grand Canyon goes that way. Boom. Marina and Lake Powell Marina, I believe. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, made myself a wrap, got some chips, got that pilot just right up the street, so I pulled over. Hungry. Might be getting towards one of the more prettier truck stops. This might take the cake, actually. St. George's, Utah. Hopefully I won't have a neighbor tonight, because all I want is peace and quiet, because that microwave drove me insane. Going across no man's land, no internet, no music. And it got so loud, the only thing I could do was crank the music. So I've been blaring it all day. We ran out of time to try to do some adventuring. I found an RV park that I could park at. It was like 80 bucks. So I was like, you know what? I have to get this fixed. That is literally my only concern now. No fun, no nothing. So that has to get fixed or I am gonna just blow my brains out. Just kidding. let's get comfortable and do something we haven't done in a long time. It's go time. New York strip steak, defrosted, onions for sauteing, olive oils for sauteing in, salt and pepper, garden vegetable medley in the microwave. That's our dinner. And on the cook plate with the frying pan. So we're gonna heat it up and we're gonna try, I think, 4 minutes aside and see how that turns out. So wish me luck, because you know I've had a terrible problem with overcooking steaks in here. But this is a good looking one, so we don't want to ruin this thing. I think I'm gonna flip that at 3 minutes because it's pretty hot in there. Yeah, it's there. So I'll turn that way down. And give it like 3 minutes on that side, and that should do it. Hot Jaw RV New York strip steak for 2023. First one, pan fried. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Ow. With sauteed onions. I gotta put y'all down. Kill that. What do you think? Over, under, or just right? I'm eating it no matter what it is. Voila. See? Takes like what? 6 minutes? Cook plate, frying pan. It's all you need to make a steak. Now let's see how I cooked it. Look, looky there. Okay. I believe we have a winner. See, life on the road doesn't have to be that bad. Man, that sucker turned out just magnificent. Woo! All right. We are 1 hour, 45 minutes away from picking up a 5500 with a construction box on it, whatever it's called, and then down to Phoenix, start heading east. But that's getting fixed tomorrow. That's it. Later.